am going to set new countable set. What is algebraic number? What is algebraic number? Algebraic number are those real number which zeros of polynomial with integer coefficient. If you have any n degree polynomial with integer coefficient, then set of all real roots of this polynomial are called algebraic number. Okay? For example, root 2 is algebraic number. Have you understood why root 2 is algebraic number? Because it is root of the equation x square minus 2 equal to 0, right? Root 2 is always algebraic number. So, root 2 is not irrational. It is not also rational, but it is algebraic. Have you understood? Pi e. This is not algebraic number. This is called transcendental number. Okay? Let's see several example of uncountable set. Real line, irrational number, close interval 0, 1, set of all infinite binary string. This is also uncountable set. And another important uncountable set is set of all subset of natural number. And today I am going to say, this is called power set. So today I am going to say about power set. And this topic is very important for CSNet. In my previous video, I have shown that the set of real number is uncountable. Today, I am going to show cardinality of power set is greater than cardinality of real number theorem. For any set A, power set of A, cardinality of power set of A always strictly greater than cardinality of A. Okay? What is the power set of A? Power set of A equal to set of all subset of A. If A equal to set of members 1, 2, then what is power set of A? Power set of A equal to 5, singleton set 1, singleton set 2, singleton set 1, 2. Have you understood what is power set of A? And notice that power set of A has more elements than original set A. So, there exists no bijection, and power set of A always written as 2 to the power A, because look, notice that here A equal to 2, then power set of A equal to 2A square, that means 4. Have you understood? Okay. Here notice that A less than equal to 2 to the power A, but A not equal to, not equivalent to 2 to the power A. That means there cannot exist any bijection. Okay? Prove it. Let's see the proof. Let A equal to 5. Then this is trivial. Suppose G be a function a2 to the power a bijection. I will prove it by contradiction. Suppose this is a bijection. Define a map B set of all members x belongs to A such that x not belongs to g of x. Okay? Which contain A. That means take all those x such that x does not belongs to gx. And this function is always 1 1. I leave it for my viewers. It is always 1 1. Just try it. Since G is onto, that means there exists B belongs to A such that GB equal to B. Okay? Now my question, B belongs to A. Yes? That means B either belongs to B or it not belongs to B. Suppose B belongs to B. If B belongs to B, that means B does not belongs to GB. This is equal to B. And this is the contradiction, because I have told B belongs to B, but here B does not belongs to B. So this is contradiction. Suppose B does not belongs to B, that means equal to GB. If B does not belongs to GB, that imply B belongs to B. Suppose B does not belongs to B and B equal to GB, that imply B belongs to B. Here B does not belongs to B, here B belongs to B. Both. So this is also contradiction. So B belongs to B and B does not belongs to B, both are contradiction. Okay? So our assumption is false. Have you understood? Why the function? That means the function is not onto. So there exists no bijection a2 to the power a. Okay? So 2 to the power a is different